protecting your clothes, having a place to wipe your hands as well. And why not do it in style with this adorable apron? I absolutely love this apron.
Well, first of all, it's so nice to meet you, honey.
So
Welcome
nice
to QVC.
to meet you. Thank you.
Isn't she awesome? Are you the newest host?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Nice to have you here.
Thank you so much.
So we talked a little bit earlier about why an apron, and it's not just to look cute in the garden, which that's like a bonus, but it's also because sometimes you don't have places to put stuff. And so this apron comes with 2 rows of pockets. You can see up here on the one on the stand, we have it's certainly able to fit a water bottle, some of your hand tools. I've got my my phone.
I've got my glasses.
No problem. And you can put a little towel or a snack or your seed packets, whatever you want to put in here. And then you've also got a pocket right up here as well for your phone and stuff. This apron is available in 4 colors. The red one's not out on the set, but we do have the turquoise. This is the pink. Sorry, I'm doing the host part.
Oh no, it's all good.
Old habits die hard.
And you're wearing the blue.
I'm wearing the blue.
And it's on clearance price of $19.99. That's 3 easy payments of $6 and some change. I'm sorry, I should have started with that, but I just got really excited. I'd love to hear about your inspiration for Girl Next Door.
Well, Girl Next Door is based upon you guys because I've been a garden enthusiast most of my adult life. And so I've learned a lot through trial and error and through my expert friends like Philip Watson, Eric Wallin, and as a host here, we have access to many expert gardeners. So I decided when I left QVC that I wanted to come back with my own garden collection, which was always a dream of mine. And it's based upon things that I think are pretty and cute and unique. Some things look vintage, and all things make your plants grow easier and your garden look cuter. So this apron is done in 600 denier polyester. So this is what nice luggage is made out of, except it's very flexible. And on the back, do we have one that's not hooked? No. You know what? I'll just show.
We can turn this around. Look at that. Check it out.
Well, no, I just wanted to show underneath. This is done in a waterproof material. So when the outside gets wet, if it soaks through, it's not going to get on your clothes. Neither will stains, mud, topsoil, anything else you're putting in the soil. This only needs to be spot cleaned. You don't have to throw it in the washer. But I think what's really great about it is that it is one size fits most. So it doesn't tie in the back. It actually clips. So let me undo mine. So
and it's adjustable too, both on the neck and in the back.
Right here on the side. And then instead of tying it, you're simply going to clip it with these little teeth that pop in, like so. And then you press the button and undo it, so you can do it with one hand. And then you just pull this end as tightly or as loosely as you want. So if you don't want it form-fitting, you can just kind of attach it loosely in the back. If you want it to be, you know, something a little tighter around your waist, you can do that as well.
Yeah, so let's go through the colors again. So as you can see, the model here, she's wearing the pink. This is the aqua, and you have on the blue.
Which kind of like a cobalt. And then there's also a red one, which I think is perfect for Valentine's Day.
Perfect.
And these are all great Mother's Day gifts.
There's the red one, yes.
The gloves that you're seeing in these videos did sell out. Thank you very much. They are not available anymore. But if you got the gloves, then the apron that you're picking up will coordinate with those as well. And you don't have to worry about what size your gift person wears if you're not sure, because again, I'm usually a size 14 or so, 12, 14. I've got plenty of room in this. You could go up to a plus size in this or down to someone very small like yourself, because it's that cinchable waist.
Yep, totally adjustable.
And again, that's another reason why it makes a great gift.
And the neck is adjustable too, which I really like.
Yeah, around your neck in the back. So it's not like a cooking apron that's long. We made it kind of short because you are going to be out there in the spring and summer when it might be a little toasty. So this is something that you can pop on, you know, over anything you're wearing. I know Pat and I were out here talking about this apron last week, and she said, you know, sometimes when you're a gardener, you get out of your car after, you know, going to an appointment, and you're like, oh, there's some weeds. I need to get it right out there and do that. So you might be actually kind of wearing some nice clothes sometimes when you end up out in the garden. So this is just nice to have hanging by your back door or by your garden shed. You just pop it on, and now you're covered. And you look cute.
And I love that you said you can just wipe your hands on it. You don't have to worry. I mean, it looks so cute that I would hate to wipe dirt on it, but it's really easy to clean.
Yeah, you just spot clean it, or you can
Just
throw it in
spot
the
clean
laundry
it.
if you want to. It is polyester.
Yeah.
And I would hang it to dry if you're going to do that. But, you know, again, great colors. These are kind of my signature colors in my collection. So you'll see when we do other things like the Garden Caddy that's coming up and some other things in my collection as well. This going forward, this year, will coordinate with these pinks, turquoises, blues, and reds.
I can't wait to see your new pieces. All right, so let's do the colors again. I'm wearing aqua. Right here in the middle, this is pink.
The pink one.
This is the most popular. It has these beautiful roses on it.
This is my favorite too.
Yeah. And then you're wearing the blue.
The blue, and these are cabbage roses, so this gives it, again, that vintagey look, like tea towels that your grandma might have had in the kitchen, which I always like to. My grandmother was my first gardening influencer when I was like 3 years old. She had a fabulous terraced garden in her backyard. There's the red.
There's the red. That's
again
that's
for Valentine's Day.
That's the most limited now. What a great Valentine's Day gift. Less than 200 to go around at this amazing price of $19.99 on clearance. No reorders of this one. It's retired after this.
Well, we're doing a new limited edition apron going forward, which is nothing like this one. So if you want to start getting my garden collection of aprons, I would highly suggest grabbing this one at this amazing price of like $20 bill alert. It's super inexpensive. And again, you'll have this one, and then wait till you see the one that's coming.
Oh, I can't wait.
But none of my stuff looks fuddy-duddy.
No, it's gorgeous. I actually went online and I was reading the reviews. So here's here's some reviews. Well made, practical.
Yeah.
Sturdy, comfortable, durable. I mean, all of these things. And look at, I love the 2 rows of pockets. I mean, you can fit everything and anything in there.
As a host for 20 years, I listen to so much customer feedback, and I know what you guys like and what you don't like, and what's disappointing. And everybody wants to open a QVC package, and something that comes out of the box is even better than what it looked like on TV. Not worse. Not like, ew, that doesn't look like what I bought. So when you buy my things, you're going to be very pleased, and the quality is very high.
Very high quality. Don't miss out. If this is something that you want to get, very limited. It's clearance price, $19.99 or $6 and some change on Easy Pay. It's the Girl Next Door Floral Garden Apron with Pockets. It was so nice
Thank you, everybody.
meet you,
And Avisha, it's so nice to meet you. Can't wait to work with you again.
Likewise.
All right, we'll see you soon. And I've got one more thing with Dustin, right? Should I come on over?
Yeah, come on over.